that's well, that's it with the tea. We'll be here with our early evening news at 6:30. Everyone, all right, thank you. Have a very good afternoon. Bye-bye.
Arguments in the mill as Howard staff feedback backfires big time. It's doctors next.
Where's the room? It's not enough. The single almost is there. If you're not happy, you know where the door is.
Thomas now wants to take you to hospital.
Yes, the promise. I don't think this is the end of it for you. I'm going to make sure it isn't.
Frankie continues tonight at 9 on BBC One and BBC One HD.